Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So this is the fifth video of the Weekend Dev Challenge 26. So in this we'll be doing the memory matching game. So this is a game where you have some multiple icons, that is emojis, and then you have 12, 15 cards there. When you click on one, you can check one more and they should match. So this basically all of you have played memory games, so that's how it works. If it doesn't match, then both of them flip back. If it matches, then both of them stay flipped, like stay normal open. So let's get started. In this, again, it goes without saying we have two videos in this. So in the first part, we'll be just seeing basic HTML stuff, and in the second part, we'll be giving the core logic behind that. So in this, we have a title memory match game, followed by the number of moves set to 0 initially, and the time is also set to 0. We have one more division game ID, and then there is a restart button. So when you click on that restart, it restarts. So this is again, this is very simple. I can just run it. There's nothing much you can do in this. Yeah, so memory match game, move 0, time 0. When you click on restart, it should actually set both of them to 0. That's it. So let me submit the program. Nothing much in this. So the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.